Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. Experts told what a panic attack is and how to survive it. Anyone who has ever faced a panic attack will never forget these feelings. It is impossible to think rationally, the animal fear of death suddenly envelops, there is not enough air, the head is spinning, there is a feeling of panic, you want to run, your heart is beating wildly, tachycardia occurs. Panic attack and its causes. A panic attack occurs suddenly and often without any objective reason. That is, it is not that rational fear, which is supported by objective circumstances and is nothing more than a defensive reaction. A panic attack has no good reason and can occur at any time. Scientists and doctors cannot fully determine the reasons why the panic attacks that occur in some people. Women are more often prone to attacks, stress, general exhaustion of the body, other neurological abnormalities, heavy physical exertion, hormonal changes, pregnancy, depression can become a trigger. This neurological condition is characterized by a range of psychological and somatic symptoms. Increased heart rate, arrhythmia, tachycardia, rapid breathing, cold sweat, changes in blood pressure, numbness of hands and feet, fingers, dizziness, feeling that the legs seem to have become wadded, lack of air, difficulty breathing, feeling of sudden, very strong, unreasonable fear, fear of death. The duration and frequency of panic attacks can vary greatly from person to person. The duration of an attack can be up to several hours, but often ranges from the several minutes to half an hour. In order to effectively treat panic attacks, it is important to understand their causes. The doctor must exclude organic causes of seizures, neurological, cardiological, endocrine disorders. If there are no organic lesions, everything is in order with hormones, a consultation with a psychologist and psychiatrist may be assigned to a person. In severe cases, medical correction may be prescribed. It is important that the doctor explains to the person what a panic attack is, what is happening to him. The very knowledge of what is happening to him, what it is such a panic attack, that it proceeds in about the same way in many people and will definitely end, already becomes a powerful therapeutic tool, because a person no longer thinks that he is going to have a heart attack, but realizes what is happening and tries to calm down. Various psychotherapeutic methods, including breathing practices, can be a good help in this. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.